like every second person, if you've embraced castor oil only for hair growth or skin hydration, you might not be fully appreciating the true potential of this divine gift. Castor oil, affectionately known as Palma Christi, is a powerful ingredient celebrated for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory prowess. But there's more to the story. The benefits of castor oil are so impressive that once you delve into them, you'll likely make it a lifelong ally for problem solving. No exaggeration, this vegetable oil might just be the transformative element you've been missing. So stick around, and let's uncover the enchanting wonders of castor oil and how it can sprinkle a bit of magic into your life. Number 1. Relieves constipation. Castor oil is like a superhero for tackling constipation. Falling under the category of stimulative laxatives, it acts by accelerating the muscles responsible for moving material through the intestines, facilitating bowel clearance. The FDA also approves castor oil for temporary constipation relief, or bowel cleansing before medical procedures. Upon ingestion, castor oil breaks down in the small intestine, releasing its primary fatty acid, ricinoleic acid. This acid is absorbed by the intestine, triggering a potent laxative effect. Studies affirm that castor oil is effective in providing relief to older adults experiencing constipation, reducing straining and feelings of incomplete bowel movements. It even proves beneficial for clearing the digestive tract before a less invasive colonoscopy. While generally considered safe in small doses, it's prudent to consult with a healthcare professional before considering castor oil for long-term constipation relief. Number 2. Prevents dryness. Loaded with ricinoleic acid, a fantastic fatty acid for skin hydration, it acts as a protective shield, preventing moisture loss. Cosmetics often feature castor oil in lotions, makeup, and cleansers. What's fantastic is that you can use castor oil solo as a natural alternative to commercial moisturizers with questionable ingredients, like preservatives and perfumes that may not be skin-friendly. Not only is it budget-friendly, but it's also versatile for both face and body. Even though castor oil has a thick consistency, you can blend it with other skin-friendly oils, such as almond, olive, or coconut oil, to craft an ultra-hydrating moisturizer. Generally safe for most, a few might experience allergic reactions. To play it safe, mix pure castor oil with oils like jojoba or coconut, and conduct a patch test before broader application. This way, you can relish the benefits without any undesired reactions. Number 3. Helps induce labor. Castor oil has been a go-to natural remedy for kickstarting labor in pregnant women for ages. When moms-to-be are at full term, many have turned to taking it orally to get those uterus contractions moving. The secret is ricinoleic acid in the oil, which taps into something called EP3 prostanoid receptors in the uterus. In simpler terms, it makes muscles, especially in the intestines and uterus, contract. Animal studies have even shown that the active compounds in the oil latch onto molecules that kickstart these contractions. A study in 2018 found that using castor oil increases the chances of labor starting within 24 hours. It's like a safe, non-medical trick for labor induction. Plus, full-term women between 40 and 41 weeks using castor oil had fewer chances of going the cesarean section route. But if the thought of using castor oil makes you queasy, it's okay to skip it. No need to force it if your stomach says no. Just as castor oil aids in inducing labor, it also proves beneficial in addressing the aftermath of labor. Yes, you guessed it, stretch marks. So, number 4 is, it reduces stretch marks. According to a study in the International Journal of Science and Research, castor oil proves to be an effective treatment for various skin issues, including stretch marks. Firstly, castor oil can prevent stretch marks from appearing by combating free radicals responsible for accelerating their development. The antioxidants in castor oil play a role in this preventative action. Secondly, it conditions and moisturizes the skin. The International Journal of Science and Research notes that ricinoleic acid present in castor oil offers extra conditioning to prevent excessive dryness and make stretch marks less conspicuous. Moreover, castor oil has been proven to accelerate scar healing. It stimulates tissue growth, reduces the buildup of dead skin cells hindering the scar healing process, and creates a moist environment for scars to heal faster. For optimal results, apply castor oil in the morning and at night to areas where stretch marks are emerging. Gently massage it in circular motions, leaving it on for a few hours before washing it off. Before we dive into more incredible benefits of castor oil, if you found this video to be informative, be sure to subscribe to Natural Education so you never miss out on a steady stream of valuable insights. Number 5. Supports immune system. Now, castor oil isn't just limited to labor or beauty. It plays a role in supporting your immune system too. Think of your body's lymphatic system like a cleanup crew, getting rid of excess fluids, proteins, and waste from your cells. Castor oil appears to contribute positively by improving lymphatic drainage, enhancing blood flow, and maintaining the health of the thymus gland. Traditional medicine has employed castor oil for various health conditions, including abdominal disorders, arthritis, and sleep problems. As per a study in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine, adults using castor oil packs on their bellies experienced a significant increase in lymphocytes, the immune system's defenders, combating invaders like toxins and bacteria. So the next time you think of castor oil, recognize its behind-the-scenes contribution to your immune system and overall well-being. Number 6. Improves blood circulation. Now, when it comes to the lymphatic system, blood circulation is a crucial companion, and castor oil surprisingly excels in both areas. A well-functioning lymphatic system and proper blood flow are like dynamic duo partners. If the lymphatic system falters or edema sets in, it often leads to circulatory issues. This is because the lymphatic circulatory system directly collaborates with the cardiovascular system, maintaining an optimal balance of blood and lymphatic fluid levels. The National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute underscores this connection, noting, "A growing body of evidence reveals that the lymphatic system influences the health of multiple organs, including the heart, lung, and brain." So, when castor oil positively impacts our lymphatic systems, it's akin to providing a boost to overall circulation, benefiting vital organs like our hearts. Number 7. Helps keep dentures clean. Keeping dentures spick and span isn't just about a shiny smile, it's a health essential. Plaque, a white sticky layer comprising bacteria and fungi, tends to accumulate on dentures, creating a risk of oral fungal infections, especially Candida. This accumulation increases the likelihood of denture stomatitis, an infection associated with oral discomfort and inflammation. Castor oil emerges as a promising ally in denture hygiene due to its documented antibacterial and antifungal properties. In a study, soaking dentures in a 10% castor oil solution for 20 minutes proved effective in eradicating oral bacteria and fungi. Another study demonstrated that a combination of denture brushing and soaking in castor oil solution effectively reduced Candida infections among denture wearers. Number 8. Promotes hair growth. For centuries, people have relied on castor oil to promote hair growth, and this remedy still holds strong today. Its antibacterial properties tackle dandruff and infections, while antioxidants actively support hair keratin, resulting in stronger, less frizzy locks. This isn't just a modern trend, it's the hidden secret behind your grandma's beautiful long hair. Consistent use is believed to accelerate hair growth at twice the usual rate, but it's not just for the head. Castor oil is also popular for thickening eyebrows and lashes. With 90% nutritional content, it nourishes hair, prevents falls, reduces split ends, and forms a protective layer against sun damage. So if you want healthier, more resilient hair, consider embracing the age-old power of castor oil, a natural solution for dandruff, improved hair growth, and an overall hair care secret passed down through generations. Number 9. Treats stubborn acne. Dealing with stubborn acne can be incredibly frustrating, and using oil may seem counterintuitive, but castor oil is the exception to the rule. Functioning as a natural antibacterial agent, castor oil aligns with skin-friendly oils like coconut oil. It serves not only as a moisturizer, but also as an anti-inflammatory treatment for blemishes. To bid farewell to acne, addressing the root cause is crucial. Castor oil, with its deep skin penetration ability, combats bacteria overgrowth that could lead to clogged pores. It not only fights off acne-related bacteria, but also simultaneously soothes and hydrates irritated skin. So when battling acne, consider giving castor oil a try. It not only combats those unwanted blemishes, but also gives your skin a youthful, healthy glow. And if you feel castor oil needs a sidekick for your skin, enter the game changer, hyaluronic acid. Click on this video to unveil the incredible effects of incorporating hyaluronic acid into your daily skincare routine.